and now you can see a new login window actually came up, and here actually you need to enter the user ID from your identity access management, right? The user ID actually was assigned for these applications, so I'm just going to use that. So that's the user actually I have used it. Let me log in as my demo user. Let me enter my password. Sign in. Then my multi-factor authentication code. Let me add that. And once you are logged in, then you can start finding insights based on the data sets you have assigned. Okay, I'm just going to close that. So you can see that I customized that the default value, right? I use your company's cloud and cost usage data, so you can see that it's already appeared here. And now I'm just going to query the datasets from my cost and usage report that I assigned the Q business, right? So let's start asking Q business some questions and see how Q business is going to get the insights and give you the answers. So I have some pre-built questions. So let me ask first. So I'm just going to ask first questions that which AWS region incurred the highest cost in the last quarter, right? So let me post that questions. It may take a couple of seconds to analyze the data and get the insights out of it. Okay. So let me just change my questions a little bit and see whether it finds the data or not. So I just change my prompt a little bit. Hopefully it will recognize and give me the answer. So it is how actually you are asking the question. Basically it is how actually you are framing your questions. So now see, it got it, and it gave you the answers that based on the 2024 usage data, the AWS region incurred the highest cost was EU Central 1 with the total cost of this. Okay, so let's ask the second questions and see what actually it is going to give you. So what are the top 5 services by cost and region for the year 2024. So basically I'm asking give me all my top 5 services based on cost and based on the cost and uh, breakdown by region. It will take again a couple of seconds to get the data, and again it is based on your network connectivity and all the details. It depends that how quickly it can gather the data or it can produce the answer. So you can see for that particular questions it has given Amazon EC2 in UE Central 1 $176.96, same as likewise Lambda S3 for the different region and the CloudWatch cost. So you can see that how easily you can find the data out of your cost and usage report, right? And you can see that from where actually it query the data. You can see the sources, and you can see that this is my cost and usage report. It's coming from that S3 bucket. So think about that when you have hundreds of files and huge data sets, right? Finding the right insights out of that data set will be very difficult. But if you create your own applications using QBusiness and using the data sets and asking questions, you will get the answers pretty quickly out of those data sets. That way you don't have to scan it, you don't have to go through all your files to find out, or go through all your cost and usage reports to find out the right answers, right? So it will be very easy to get the answers using Amazon QBusiness. And it is not only from S3. You can, I showed you that you can use multiple different data sources, like your databases, like your box folder, like your Teams data, like your emails data. I mean, if you just name it, you can create your own in-house chat box out of those data sets and find the answers very quickly using QBusiness. Okay, so let me ask another questions to the QBusiness. So here actually I'm asking that show me the usage reports and cost breakdowns by service, region and account for the year 2024, right? So again, you are not writing any SQLs or you are not writing anything, you are just asking the questions in plain simple English language. And what actually it is doing it is just going to analyze the data sets, it is going to analyze the data sets and extract the data for you pretty quickly. So let me ask that questions. And again, it may take a couple of seconds to get the data for you. So it will be very helpful. Means very helpful when you have multi-cloud data sets, for an example, right? And you have the reports from everywhere, from different cloud sources, from different CSPs. So this solutions, QBusiness solutions to get the insights out of all those files, it will be very helpful, time consuming. You don't have to spend hours to find out the right data sets, right answers from your data sets. And here actually you can see that It has the breakdown based on the account, the total cost, then the cost breakdown by services, cost breakdown by region, all the details it has given you, right? Now the thing is that here actually you have not written any SQL queries, right? You just ask the questions in plain simple English language and you got the answers. So that's very high level, the Q business setup, how actually you can set up the Amazon Q business, and using the Amazon Q business, how actually you can find the insights based on your own data sets. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll create more videos based on the other different services in the coming days. Thank you.